How to copy and paste ChatGPT tables into Google Docs. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to copy and paste ChatGPT tables into Google Docs in an easy way. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, open ChatGPT on your PC or any device you are using. And then here is a table with information. Simply you need to copy the table that you want to paste on Google Docs. You can click on Ctrl C on your keyboard and then it will be copied. Now open Google Sheets on your PC and click on blank spreadsheet. Here on any cell you can easily paste the copied table from ChatGPT. And once you have done here, you can easily select the borders and give all border to this table. You can easily edit this table or customize this table as well. Change the colors or you can also change the fonts. And once you have customized every options here, so once customization is done, you need to select this whole table again and then you need to copy it by clicking on Ctrl C on your keyboard. Once you have copied, you need to open a new tab on your PC or laptop and then go to Google Apps. From here, you need to select Google Docs and open Google Docs. And once you open it, let's select blank document again and then you can easily paste it by clicking on Ctrl V on your keyboard. So if you wish to paste table, you can link to spreadsheet. So let's click on the paste button and it has been successfully pasted. So I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.